begin with, the reason the sky is blue, grass is green, and clouds are white is because of the wavelengths of light coming from the sun. The study of spectroscopy. There are 7 different wavelengths of light: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color is its own wavelength, and each one is a different length. For example, blue light is a short wavelength, so it scatters and moves faster, whereas red light is longer and it moves and scatters slower. The way certain things reflect and absorb light is also dependent on their color as well. The sky is blue because molecules in the air scatter blue light from the sun faster than they scatter red light. That is why, on a clear day, the sky appears blue. At sunset, we see red and orange. This is because the blue light has been scattered and is away from the line of sight. As the sun lowers over the horizon, the line of sight shifts, and you see red and orange light as their wavelengths are longer than the blue wavelengths. Since red light is a longer wavelength, it scatters slower, which therefore makes the sky red at sunset because the light has traveled a long distance.
Here is an example of an experiment that shows how and why the sky is blue. So with a fish tank filled with water and a flashlight, you can add in some coffee creamer or some milk. So this mimics the atmosphere with the light scattering, and you can see with the help of the coffee creamer that the light is scattering. And when you look through the side of the fish tank, you will see that the water looks blue, and this is how the atmosphere looks with the blue rays of light shining from the sun. Now, if you were to look through the long end of the fish tank, you will see what looks like a sunset. This is because the red and orange rays of light are longer, so you can see them through the long distance.
The next question is why the clouds are white. As we learned before, light travels at different wavelengths and each color has its own wavelength. Clouds are white because their water droplets are large enough to scatter the light of all 7 wavelengths. When all 7 wavelengths are combined, they produce white light, which therefore is responsible for clouds being white. And finally, why is grass green? Inside grass is a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs blue light and red light, but reflects green light. Since chlorophyll reflects green light, it is responsible for grass being green.